Hi and welcome to Morgan's High Conviction Update for December 2018. I'm Andrew Tang, I'm a strategist. Well, markets have been given a temporary reprieve from the trade disputes that's been occurring between Washington and Beijing. Whilst we do think that this may give the markets a little bit of breathing room, we do think once again, as we return to 2019, the trade dispute between the two countries is far from over. So again, volatility will be more or less a part of what we see in 2019, particularly in light of rising interest rates and moderating global growth. We think the market is going to be overly sensitive to incoming economic data. So in light of this, we have made just the couple of changes in our high conviction list this month. We have added Cleanaway back into the list. It has been on the list for some time. We took it out just given the rally, but then it's given some of that back more recently. We see Cleanaway as one of the perfect candidates for this type of environment. Strong management team, very defensive earnings profile, with 85% of revenues locked in between 2 and 10 years. Obviously, a lot of its earnings is linked to GDP type growth, and particularly with the growing importance of waste, environmental sustainability. We think this is going to be a thematic that really evolves over the next few years. So we're happy to back this management team. It's got an improving balance sheet and really fits the bill in terms of that earnings profile and defensive earnings profile over the next few years. Outside of this, we've made one change in the X100 list. We've taken CML Group out of the list. We just see, whilst the company has posted 2 really strong updates recently, the share price has failed to move. It's been relatively resilient in light of the market volatility, but just given we don't see any near-term catalysts on the horizon, particularly with the stock with lower levels of liquidity, we just see potentially some downside risk to the share price just in the near term. But however, we retain an add on the stock. We do see a very strong growth profile over the next few years, but we will look to re-add that stock again in future. If you need any more information on any of the stocks, either in our ASX 100 list or our small cap X100 list, please feel free to click on one of the links below where our analysts talk through their buy thesis in more detail. But thank you very much for tuning in, and see you again next month.